Hey guys, so it's pretty much early in the morning, so I have to do this really quiet. So yeah, so I'm gonna do 3 taste tests on this drink. It's called Slurpee, and I just froze it, and because here, just wrapped it with like this plastic, so it won't drip and stuff. And I put it in the freezer so it won't melt because I was full of it. And then I'll do this one. This is called Crunchies. It's basically like sponge toffee. It's really good. And then lastly is this Reese cup. It's super good to me. But if you're allergic to peanut or peanut butter, you shouldn't eat this. This has peanut butter in it. So yeah, let's get started. So let's start it with this. So this, if you guys don't have it in your country or city, it's okay. It's pretty good. It's really good actually. It has like a lot of flavors, so yeah, I mean, I think does it. I just taste like the strawberry. I put strawberry, like blueberry and Coke. Yeah, it's really good. Then for crunchy, I ate almost, yeah, more than half. Sorry, I was too hungry. Yeah. When you soak it in water, it gets hardened. So now I'm gonna take a bite of the chocolate first. The chocolate like melts really fast. Now I'll take a bite of the toffee. Basically, the toffee looks like this. That's really good. Okay. Then the last thing is this Reese cup. Ooh. Okay. So it basically looks like this. So now take a bite. There's chocolate like on top and on the bottom and on the edges. There's a layer of peanut butter. So yeah, I hope you like this 3 taste test video, whatever. Okay, yeah, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye.